Hey, what's going on, you guys? So in today's video, I will show you how to redeem a Roblox gift card. So let's start. So first things first, you cannot use your Roblox app on your device to redeem gift cards. So what you can do is open up a web browser on your phone and type in Roblox/redeem. Okay, so after this one, you can tap on the first result. And in here, you are going to click on redeem. So here, you can log into your Roblox account and type in your gift code in the text box. After that, you can tap on redeem and you should be good to go. Alright, so that's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I am going to see you in the next one.